Hello and welcome to SmartFactory Digital Manufacturing Solutions. In this series, we've looked at a variety of digital manufacturing solutions that SmartFactory introduces to the marketplace. At this point, you are familiar with a variety of apps that SmartFactory provides in order to deliver a wide breadth of manufacturing elements within your process. Today we're going to look at dashboards and analytics to see how all that information comes together as real operational intelligence, fueling whatever AI solution you may ultimately deploy. You have probably seen the work summary screen inside of the shop floor MES app. You'll notice that the dashboard button provides the user the opportunity to go and evaluate work center specific in-process performance, looking across work centers, the color coding, making it very simple to determine who's performing well, where does that supervisor need to spend some additional time coaching that team. The SmartFactory dashboards enable a quick assessment of work center downtime, providing a Pareto to understand what's most responsible for eroding capacity for a given work center. From a process control perspective, SmartFactory makes it possible to evaluate how well are process parameters being controlled, which ultimately we know influences product parameter compliance. All of that very simple to access through SmartFactory, bringing elements of the visual factory to life. Whether an operator accesses that dashboard through his work summary or you prefer to broadcast it to the department via large screens, very simple, easy to do to help your team be as successful as possible. The balance of this video is really oriented toward the NetSuite customer and how SmartFactory extends NetSuite capability. You're looking at my NetSuite dashboard, which is a series of analytics giving me insights as to the shop floor performance. All of these portlets come from Suite Analytics, with the data being generated by the operators using SmartFactory. SmartFactory introduces a series of Suite Analytics workbooks, all designed to bring visibility and insight to the manufacturing process. Each workbook is a series of pivot tables and graphics to help that user evaluate that operation. You're looking at a weekly operating report that goes day by day, shift by shift, work center by work center, evaluating a series of manufacturing metrics for performance, downtime, labor, and cost. This workbook provides shift comparison or the ability to evaluate specific assembly items and how they perform across the work centers where they're run. Downtime analysis makes it very easy to take a look at Paretos. The Suite Analytic workbooks make it very easy to distinguish work centers, departments, locations, downtime by assembly, whatever will help the user make the most informed fact-based decisions. SmartFactory labor analysis from a pivot table perspective breaks down by day, by shift, by work order, by operation. How did the leaders use their resources, straight time, overtime, that influenced process performance and product cost? Co-product analysis, which you may have seen in another video, breaks down co-product performance by work order. What was yielded beyond the primary product we were seeking to produce? How do we compare individual co-products run to run, looking for variation in co-product output? Whether I want to do it, again, via pivot table or summarize graphics, readily available through Suite Analytics. SmartFactory batch parameter analysis for process environments allows you to compare item by item, batch by batch. How well did we control our process in order to make sure we achieved product attribute compliance? Whether I want to look at it from a data view, compare variables and parameters graphically, readily available to meet my needs. Thank you for watching this brief introduction to SmartFactory Dashboards and Analytics. To learn more about SmartFactory, please visit smartfactory.com or review the rest of the videos in this series.